Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I know I just recently did a haul video from Spectrum Art, but I just got something in the mail that I had to share with you. Many of you will recall when Dear Julie did her flip through of the antiquarian sticker book, and several of us went out and got one, and it's a great sticker book. I'm still hoarding mine. Well, not too long ago, Darlene posted on one of the Dear Julie Facebook pages about this one, the Botanist Sticker Anthology. And mine just came in. I just did a quick flip through and had to share. I'm just in love with this already. Okay, so I'm gonna flip through. This video may take a while. The first thing I will say is, unlike the antiquarian sticker book where the stickers are matte finish, there's no gloss to them at all, these do have a little bit of gloss to them. So up here in this corner, I took a little bit of my vintage photo and checked it out, and it does distress just fine. It's just a little glossier than the other one. Okay, so that said, let's flip through the pages. Here you can see we've got desert. These are just magnificent images, and every one of them is a sticker. I'm in love. Now we're on to the rainforest. Sorry, I'm having to, I know, get that. This one is, as I'm looking at the cutout, a big oval on both of these pages. Now aquatic. I'm going to try to do this flip through as quickly as I can, but I'm also looking at everything. Aren't those just gorgeous? Love the dragonflies. This looks to be like a rectangle with rounded corners. Don't see anything in the center. Now garden flowers. I'm trying to skip the in between the backing pages. Oh, isn't that pretty? So it's giving you everything. Caterpillars, ladybugs, some sort of little beetle. These are just wonderful and perfect for junk journals. Oh, aren't the irises pretty? These are just fabulous. Now, I just looked right before I turned my camera on, and Amazon still has these for $17.49. I believe it was $17.49. It was 17 something. Believe it was 49. Absolutely gorgeous. This one is an oval. We've got some dark blues. I'm just in love with this. And now orange. And I'm not a huge... Oh, look, Bird of Paradise. I'm not a huge orange fan, but I would use that. The coloring is so brilliant. Wouldn't these look fabulous on tags or journal cards? Oh my gosh, I'm going to have so much fun with this. Now some white. I'm really not skipping pages, but I am skipping the backing pages. So you got little frames, letters. And I believe most of these, most if not all of these, are, what do you call them? Public domain images that have been probably retouched and stuff. But, man, if you're not a huge fan of fussy cutting, these are just wonderful. So yeah, I think this book will be taking a, like an ant even, taking a permanent spot on my, I want it to be easy to grab location. Okay, here we've got, looks like rectangle with rounded corners again. Now woodland. So pretty. Oh, you even got toadstools. I know a lot of us like toadstools. I know you're probably getting a little bit of glare, and I apologize for that, but I had to show you this because I don't know how quickly these will sell out. But, oh, I love that. The toadstool growing in the lumber. That looks like a morel mushroom. Very edible, although I've never had one. People around here every spring go out. It's one of the few mushrooms that actually grows in the spring as opposed to the fall, and people go morel hunting. But you never find anyone that will tell you where they found their morels. It's like a very elite, not elite, but a very secretive thing. You never share your morel spot. Okay, here we have another oval. I can't believe I've actually lived here almost 30 years and have never had a morel. Need to change that. Of course, that would require me finding somebody that was willing to share them. So pretty, so much to do. There are roughly, I haven't gotten to the end, but roughly 230 pages. Of course, half of them are the backing pages, but still, that's a lot of stickers. And here we have another rectangle with the rounded corners on both pages. Sorry, I got quiet. I'm busy looking. Absolutely beautiful. I'm almost done, guys. I'm up to page 219. So I don't know who else is selling these. I know the last ones you could get at Target, maybe even Walmart. But I know they've got them on Amazon because I pre-ordered mine. As soon as I saw what Darlene had posted, I went in and immediately pre-ordered one. Okay, here we've got another rectangle on both of these pages. And that is the end. But even these fly pages would be wonderful in a journal. Once you've used all the stickers, these backing papers and the fly pages would be great to use. So anyway, that's it, guys. I had to share that with you. So if you want one, be sure to jump over to Amazon and pick one up for yourself. I will put an Amazon link in the description box below. No, I do not get anything for doing that. I'm just putting it out there for you to be able to find it easier. So that's it for now. Until next time, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.